Is it scat? That's deer poop.
Yeah. With,
deer poop.
With berry seeds of some sort.
Are we on a nature hike, guys? Yeah. Whoa.
That's bear shit. That's alright. That'll be fine.
Is it? Don't do that. Mace is already eaten.
I'll eat.
Why don't we try to skid it out all over that way since it's like all open and she could play over there.
No, guys. Look.
Let's go find a place you can run.
It's kind of creepy over here.
Yeah, I'm
not gonna lie.
Look at the Boston ferns, though. They just grow like wild up here. Just right out of the ground. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
She meant yeah. Mm-hmm. I couldn't get loose.
Oh, look, we're back where we came from. But further south.
I feel like we're closer to civilization over here. Okay, Macy, you don't have to hold mommy's hand. Yeah.
Look, now you can run.
Go play, baby. Go follow Grammy. Go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh.
Whoa!
Not that fast.
Not very far.
Come on, Tippy.
Oh.
Come on, Tippy.
Here. Oh.
I brought it.
Here. Okay, all done. Here we go. You got it?
Yeah.
Look at mommy. Say hi.
Bye.
We're going on a hike. Wow.
Ready, huh?
Why don't you put it on the table, baby? Put it on the table. The little raccoon bag. No, that's Grammy's.
Baba, mine.